Hello, welcome back, guys. In the last episode, we talked about creating our crutch blend space, so our character can blend um, from unarmed idle to crutch state like this. So in this episode, we'll talk about sprinting. We already set up our sprinting in the previous session. So this is what we did. Under the input, we already set up our sprinting as left shift and gamepad. There's 4-pad, arrow 1. So in this episode, let's set up our sprinting. So first things first, we have to call in our sprinting sprint. So we have to call in our sprint input. So from this sprint input, on pressed, we have to create a variable called this sprinting. Yeah. So on press, set this to true. On release, set this to false. So after we set all this, the next thing we have to do is to call our character movement, drag in the character movement, drag this out, set mass walk speed, connect, then duplicate, connect here. So on this area, promote this to variable, call it walk speed. You can duplicate, call it run speed, duplicate, call this sprint speed. So we have to change this variable to sprint speed, and this should be our run speed. So now Control Z, run speed. Cool. So compile, set our sprint speed to 600, but we'll set that later. On this character movement, we have to set something here. Go to character movement. On this mass custom speed, use 800. Why I use 800 is because on this my blend space, I already created the maximum axis to be 800. So I have to set it to what? 800. So this the unarmed sprint, and this unarmed sprint also, but I just reduce the rate scale to 0.7, so I can make it 0.6. Yeah. So I'm going to close this down. Now we have created our sprinting, but we have to do something. Right click, create a blueprint interface, and call it character BPI. On this character BPI, create a new function called turbo sprinting. Add an input of Boolean, true or false. So after that, we have to call it from here. Call it, look for character BPI. I already added it. So on this area, that event turbo sprinting. Cool. So when this is true, I have to run a branch here. Branch. Now when this is true, it should go here. When this is false, it should come here. And I think we are done. Now on this our child, or you can increase the mass walking speed to 300, run speed 600, and sprint speed to 800. Compile and save. One more thing remaining, we have to copy this this, Ctrl W, it means when we are sprinting, when we toggle our sprinting on, we should go back to this. When this is on, go to this. So, but when this is off, go back to crouching state. But we don't need this now. So I think this should work now. Now this is normal run. When we hold down our shift, left shift, we begin to sprint. Now when we crouch, we move. When we start sprinting, begin to sprint. And just like that. So crouch. So that's all we have. We need to do for today. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.